Welcome, fellow artists. In this video, I'm going to be doing a line and wash using watercolor pencils and watercolor. So let's get to it. I've lightly sketched in my cow here. I'm going to correct any lines that I don't like. I'm working in my Pentalic Aqua journal. Now, if you're pretty confident with your sketching, go ahead and just use your watercolor pencils to do this, but I'm not always so confident because I need to erase quite a bit. I'm going to come in here with this blue. I'm using the Arteza Woodless watercolor. Prefer woodless. Personally, this color is sky blue. And back in here is going to be some trees. So I may sketch in a few lines. Great thing about using watercolor pencils is the lines do kind of melt in, but yet they don't always completely disappear. I just honestly like to play around with it. Now, where the sometimes I'll actually use two colors, but we know that this is going to be our lightest here. Okay. Let's see if I have a yellow. Oh, this is my yellow ochre. This is chrome yellow. If you're wondering about my supply list, go a little bit with the orange. I will be linking it in the description below for my Amazon affiliates. But everything that is in my current supply list I use, and you can always check out some of my review videos and see for yourself that these are products that I use, and I will always give you my honest opinion. I'm going to go ahead and go orange with that. Okay. And the line work, the great thing about these pencils too, your line work does not have to be precise. I'm going to come in here with a little bit of gray too, because there's going to be shadow in here. But my graphite is there as well, so that's why a lot of times I love leaving the, oh, that line's wrong there. His nose don't look like that. Some parts of this video I will go ahead and speed up so that it'll save time and break in when I need to say something relevant. Color palette, I am using lemon yellow, sap green, I'm going to call that a mauve, and a lilac, a cerulean, a brown sugar, and a Prussian blue. So those are the colors here. So I want to get to mixing those. I'm going to put it over here for our yellow. That is a lemon yellow. I really want to, I'm going to probably use this purple lake for my mauve. And for my pink, I'm going to do an alizarin crimson. So I'm going to come in with my cerulean first. I like to do a mix of cerulean, because cerulean can be kind of opaque. So I like to mix it with some manganese and mix those together. They're almost, I mean, they are very similar, but the manganese is very transparent, which is one thing I really like about that color. I think I'm going to switch to a bigger brush because I want to keep this pretty loose. So here we go. In our blue mixture up here, we're going to start. Now you can pre-wet this if you want to, but I don't know. Just go with what feels right to you. All right. I like that up in there. And you see what happens here? The line just kind of disappears and melts into it. That's what I really like about it. I really do not want any hard lines at this point. If you can see where I've got my watercolor lines, they haven't completely melted away. Well, I'm liking this effect up in here. I like that a lot. All right. I think I want to come in here with a bit of this yellow that I've got over here and just start tapping in a little bit. dry off my brush completely and squeeze the water out into the paper towel so whenever I come in here, it picks that up pretty well. There's also going to be a darker line in here. So you can tell my brush was pretty dry when I picked that up. So now I'm going to let this completely dry and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I feel like I want to add some color in here. I made some of my purple lake. you are not limited to just using them in the beginning. You can come in here and refine things as you go. I like that right there. And I think I'm going to leave it there. And I thank you for visiting my channel. Please be sure to subscribe because that really helps my channel grow. I'm currently working on getting 500 subscribers so that I could better communicate with my community through the community tab, which opens up to me as a creator with 500 subs or more. So your support is greatly appreciated. Thank you, and until the next video, I'll see you then.